Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is August 11, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels for you guys, and then I'll move over to gold and oil for you guys. Other than that, though, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into it though. So for S&P 500, we did move up into our measured move so far into 42. Next levels up for me is going to be right around these 44, 46s, and then above that 49 and then 51, as there is no necessary resistance above this level of 38. So we'll see what actually takes place, or if we get a little bit of a pullback. Below that, again, prior resistance 38. So I want to see if it comes back and touches that area. If not, we have main support sitting at 44.17, and then below that 44.04 as the next level down. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she has.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, so let's take a tour through London, because that's where we start. We have, as David said, a main support around the 17 area, but we're going to move up and we don't have that kind of power, but we're going to look for the micro support above that. And it's 2075, 442075. It created that beautiful double bottom there. So that's our micro support above main support. Now what do we have? We have our neck of that double bottom, which is our first peak, 44.25. You can see how it went up, came down, used that as a nice support area. Where's our next peak? 44.29. Went above it, came back down, used it as support. Gorgeous. No coincidence as to how this market uses these little micro peaks. Where's our next one? 44.35 or 44.34 area. This one's a little trickier. You got to be really in tune to these micro peaks to catch them. But what the market did is it went above it, and then it consolidated around that area for the further pop up. It's gorgeous. I took that long before market at 25 area. I knew it was going to go up to resistance at 37. Didn't know it was going to go up to the 42. That's where the fib comes into play. I don't do them very often. David is very good at it. Vincent's very good at it. So you start the fib from the 16, 17 area, carry it on up to resistance at the 37, 38 area, and voila. No coincidence that it's pausing or hesitating around the 23 level of the fib. It's beautiful. Once you get these main areas and micro areas, I mean, you're golden. A lot of money to be made. So those are my micro areas for SPOOs. Now we're going to wait and see what the market does at this fib level and trade. Probably the next trade area would be for it to come down to the resistance, the last one at 38, and see how it behaves around that level for a long. But that's it. That's what I have for SPOOs. Back to you, Dave, for oil and gold.
Awesome job. All right. So moving over into gold, we're looking for gold to get up right around these 1747.9s. We'll see if we get some rejection. Kind of had a couple rejections off that level before it tried to drop off. So we'll see if we get that opportunity. Really trying to see it come back down into 1736 and then below that 1731.7. There might be some levels below though. We got support coming in at 23 and then 16.3. So we'll see if we get there. Might stall right here at this minor level, but better level for me is going to be right around 1747.9. So we'll see if we get up to that area. Above that 1759.4 next level, and then above that 1766.2 as the next level of resistance. Let's move over into crude oil for you guys. So with crude oil, found some nice support right off these 66.98s. Did break above those 67.48s. Want to see if we climb right back up. You do got a little bit of a closer level of resistance up above, which is going to be probably right up over here at 68.76. If we get through that, 69.26 is the next level up, and then 69.92 as the resistance above that. So we'll see nice support bounces right off these 66.98s. So I want to see if this pushes a little bit higher, just stalls, comes right back down to it. That's going to be one of the main areas to look out for. I might as well move this one off here as it's chopping between it, but nice level of support here on oil 66.98. Let's see what happens there. With that, guys, let's go ahead and get into it.